Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a punch-in and punch-out timesheet using Google Forms. Whether you're managing a small team, running a business, or simply want to track work hours efficiently, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Drive and go to the Tools menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Google Forms and click on it. This will allow you to create a new form from scratch, which we'll use as a timesheet for your employees. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on Blank Form to start your timesheet. You'll want to begin by adding the key fields. Start with the date field to automatically capture the day. Then, add a start time and end time field. Google Forms will recognize these as time fields, making it easy for employees to enter their punch-in and punch-out hours. You can also add a drop-down or multiple-choice question for the type of hours, like regular, overtime, sick, vacation, holiday, unpaid, or other. This helps categorize the time accurately for reporting purposes. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure each employee gets their own dedicated form link. Doing this ensures that submissions are organized and tied to the right person. You can also add a name field or a confirmation checkbox like, "I certify that these hours are true to the best of my knowledge." Making certain fields required prevents incomplete submissions and keeps your data accurate. Once you've added all your fields, it's time to send the form. Click on the Send button at the top right, and you can either email it directly to your employees or copy the link and share it with them. After that, employees can fill it out daily or weekly, and all responses will be collected in a single Google Sheet for easy tracking and review. It's also a good idea to periodically review the sheet to ensure all entries are correct and complete. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a fully functional punch-in and punch-out system using Google Forms quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be looking for a simple way to track hours. Why not make someone's day easier?